Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by washing your hands and gently cleansing the eyelid area. This removes oils that block adhesion. Once done, examine the pad packet for damage and expiry, then open carefully. Place yourself semi-reclined so gravity helps. Tilt your head back slightly and look down. With one hand steadying the lid, use the other to position the pad under the lashes, aligning with the orbital bone. Make sure the pad lies flat before releasing your hold. Once the pad is in place, press gently from the center outward to remove any air pockets and ensure full contact. This maximizes effectiveness. You should not stretch or pull the eyelid. Allow the adhesive to set without tension so it contours to your orbital bone. Once you're comfortable, set a timer for the product's recommended dwell time, typically 10 to 20 minutes, and relax. While waiting, keep eyes closed and avoid rubbing. This helps ingredients penetrate. To finish, peel the pad off slowly and low, pulling parallel to the skin rather than upward. This reduces tugging and irritation. After removal, pat any remaining serum onto the skin gently with a fingertip. Do not rub it directly into the eye. Observe the area for redness or discomfort. If you notice stinging, blurred vision, or excessive irritation, rinse the area with sterile saline and discontinue use. Contact a clinician if symptoms persist. Store unused pads as instructed for next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.